want to give you guys a little update on the price action on Bitcoin and crypto over the last few hours and this morning. After 4 straight days of green, Bitcoin is now pulling back. Yesterday on my video, I mentioned that anything below 13,868 was just a lower high, meaning that these highs are getting lower and the lows are getting higher, which is an equilibrium pattern. If you can see closely, the range is tightening. It was from here to down here. Now it's from 13,202 to 10,761. The bulls have control for Bitcoin. Anything above 1061 is just a higher low. So Bitcoin can theoretically pull back all the way to 10,761, and it would just be a higher low on the daily. If 10,761 breaks bearish, then that would be a weekly higher low and keep the equilibrium pattern going. Bitcoin didn't perform as bad as some of the other coins did. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum did reject hard before 324. I mentioned anything below 324 is just a lower high for this equilibrium pattern. So the highs are getting lower. So nothing crazy for Ethereum until 318 and 324 break. Then it would look really bullish for Ethereum. But for now, we're watching 273 as support. Anything above 273 is a higher low and keeps the bulls in control. A break of 273, a bearish break below 273, and you want to zoom out to the weekly and see when you have weekly support. So if we zoom in, we have this weekly support at 227.52. So if 273 breaks, we're looking for a higher low above 227, which would still keep the weekly trend intact. Moving on to Litecoin. Litecoin was one of the coins that did not hold daily support. And it was unfortunate because Litecoin did have the best looking equilibrium pattern out of the other main coins. You have the high at 146, the low at 109, the lower high at 136, the higher low at 111, a lower high at 127, another higher low at 116, and that level at 116 did end up breaking bearish, changing the daily trend, and also support at 109 was broken as well. If we zoom out to the weekly, next weekly support is this low at 97.05. As long as Litecoin stays above 97.05, then the weekly trend is still intact, and the bulls are looking comfortable there. XRP. Ripple also did not hold a daily support level. We were looking at this level around 37 cents, and it did not hold. We had the high here at 51 cents. This temporary low, high of the bounce, a lower low, a lower high, another lower low, another lower high, and this today is another lower low. So Ripple is nowhere near an uptrend. It is in a downtrend completely. You can see the lows are getting lower and the highs are also getting lower. Anything below 41.21 is just a higher low. So Ripple or XRP could very well move all the way back up to 41 cents and reject again, and it would still be a lower high and a downtrend. So if you're looking to invest in XRP and you want to look for the reversal, then you can zoom in and maybe see if you can get a 4-hour higher low and then and then shoot over. But other than that, not much to watch on XRP. Bottom fishing these levels is quite dangerous because there's no confirmation of an uptrend. So if you buy down here, it could very well keep going down. Let's look at the weekly and see if there's any weekly support. So actually the weekly just got broken too. Weekly support. If we want to draw the lines on the weekly, we have this temporary high with this bottom and a lower high, a higher low, and then this broke bullish, and this support here at 36 cents 21 is now broken. So we are in a weekly downtrend now on XRP, and not looking too hot. So anything below 51 is still a lower high on the weekly. We'd have to break 51 cents to get really bullish for XRP. So that's it for crypto, and we will move on to some commodities. A simple day trade I made today. So I want to go over a simple day trade I made yesterday. I was watching gold for this equilibrium pattern. So let's draw the chart, the lines out. We have the high at 1439. We have the low at 1381. The lower high at 1437, which is basically a double top. And then yesterday we had the low here at 1386, which was basically a double bottom. And yesterday I was mentioning that this level was probably going to be the higher low from 1381, which it was. It ended up being the higher low because today it shifted forward, it shifted up, giving confirmation for that higher low. And you can zoom into the 4-hour just to get some further confirmation that this was the higher low. You could have watched and seen that a 4-hour equilibrium pattern was forming. This was the low, this was the high, this was the higher low. And when it broke 1400, that was the trend change on the 4-hour, which meant that that was the higher low set, and it was going to be testing the highs at 1437, which is exactly what it ended up doing. So I put some positions on NUGT, which was it's the 3 times leveraged ETF towards gold. So whenever gold makes a big move, NUGT makes an even bigger move. You see gold was up 1.2% today, and NUGT was up 5%. So when I saw this equilibrium pattern play out on the 4-hour time frame, I made some orders with this break. I saw that gold was looking bullish, so I put some orders on NUGT, and NUGT had a very good day today. I also, and you can see it broke out here. This level was basically the same breakout that was here for gold, and NUGT up 5.86%. Just $35 on my account. Actually, I'm going to go on my account now and just take some profits just off the table. If I made $35 today, I'd rather take $25 and then leave some more money on the table. But actually, let me do my screen recording really quick. So if I go to Interactive Brokers app, wait till I log in. My daily P&L is $37. Quick day trade. You can see my only position is NUGT. So I can click it, and I'm going to sell. I have 23 positions. I'm going to sell 50% of my positions, so that will be a little less than 50%. I'll put 11 quantity, and the price I will do a market order so I can sell it instantly, and slide to submit sell. Yes. Alright, perfect. So it looks like, yes, I only have 12 positions long. So yeah, close out that position. And now if NUGT keeps pushing up, then I'll still make some more money. But if it pushes back down, no harm, no foul. I have at least closed out some of my position, and I'll keep some profits. It's just $35, but that's just small profits today. But that $35 adds up. The more you do it, it will compound and grow your account. This account that I'm on, it's a small day trading account on Interactive Brokers. The reason I use them is because they have almost no fees. And Interactive Broker, I just have around $625 or something like that on that account. So pretty low compared to my crypto account, which I'll get into another day. But that's it. So just a small day trade. NUGT 5%, 5.75% on the day. Just watch gold, and whatever gold does, NUGT does even better. So if you guys are interested in trading gold, you can go on any brokerage and search up NUGT and go ahead and make some trades. And if you want to go against gold, then you can do DGLD, which is the inverse of gold. And yeah. So that was my trade for today. I just thought I'd share it and just show you guys that simple day trades, just looking at commodities, possible. You just got to pay attention and make sure you set a stop loss and just watch it carefully, because the last thing you'd want to do is make a trade and it turns around on you immediately. You're not paying attention to it. You're working, you're doing something else, and you lose money. So if you are going to put a trade, make sure you do put a stop loss. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please check out my Instagram at Supreme_charts and my Twitter at Supreme_charts. And leave a like if you enjoyed, and hit the subscribe button, and that would mean a lot.